Good morning, my dear student. Today we will start the exercise 3.2, question number 10. It is given that a manufacturer has three products X, Y, Z. Yes, question number 11. It is given that a manufacturer has three products X, Y, Z. When he sell into markets, they get the rupees. For the first market, it is given. For the market, it is given the market. Market, it is the first and it is the second. When he sell for each units, he get 2000, 10,000, again 2000 and 18,000. Next, he get 6,000, 20,000 and 8,000. If unit sale price of XYZ are for each the market and cost price or selling price for each the markets, first market is given 2.5, 1.5 and 1 respectively, then you have to find the total revenue. That means, my dear students, it is given a manufacturer or a company has three types of products. When he sell this type of the product, he get for each unit 10,000, second 2,000 and 18,000 for the first market, and for the second market he get 6,000, 20,000 and 8,000. Now you have to find the total revenue, that means total cost or total selling price. Yes, my students, you have to find for the first market and for the second market. Okay, that means suppose you have three types of the products. You have to sell. When you sell, you get 10,000 for the first market, for the first unit, 2,000 for the second unit, and it is the 18,000 for the third unit. And for each units are given. Suppose for the first market it is given 2.5. Next for the second unit it is given 1.5 and next 1. Now you have to find the total revenue, that means total selling price. So my students, it is given. इसका मतलब ये है जे मान लीजिए किसी भी कोई भी सामान है, उसको मार्केट में जब सेल करेंगे, इसको मार्केट में जब सेल करेंगे, पहला मार्केट से इतना रुपीस आ रही, सेकंड मार्केट से एक यूनिट कितना आ रही, थर्ड मार्केट से इतना आ रही, और एक का कॉस्ट उसमें आपको गिवन है, तो आपको निकालना है टोटल प्राइस कितना होगा, टोटल आपका कॉस्ट प्राइस, दैट मींस आपका पास में टोटल पैसा कितना है. ओके भाई स्टूडेंट्स, लुक हियर. सो फॉर द फर्स्ट मार्केट it is given for the first market 10,000 and 2,000 and for 18,000. So it is given for the first market. It is given for the first market. Again, the selling price are given by this much for each unit. First market is 2.5, second 1.5 and next 1. So total revenue will be product of these two, because suppose cost of one pen is this and you have to buy 10,000 pen, then you have to find the total revenue, that means total price. But in such cases you have to product these two terms. Okay, now I have to product, therefore total revenue equal to AB, that means A and B should be product. So A matrix is given 10,000, again 2,000, again 18,000. So it is the first revenue. I just submit here below AB. Therefore total revenue will be given by 2.5, 1.5 and 1, and that is the total revenue. And just I submit here and it is the total revenue. Acha, now it is very important question states why right here all the elements in row and these are in column, because it is 1 by 3 matrix and it is 3 by 1 matrix. So look here, if you want to find the product, then the last order and first order should be equal, otherwise you cannot product. That is why according to the rules of products, I have to write here last element and first element should be equal. So this last and this first are equal. So that is why I have to write here column. Now just you multiply and you get row by column. When you multiply these two terms, then you get how much? 2, 5 or 3, 0 plus these two terms. These two terms when you multiply, then you get how much? 3, 0. These two terms multiply, then I get 3000. Next these two terms 18,000. So I get 30 here and 18 or 3, 21 or 25. I get how much? 46,000. So I get 46,000 for the first market. Similarly, you can also find the total price for the second market, and you have to just submit the value of second market here, and this value are same to same. Now for the second market, similarly you have to find, after that you have to add the total revenue you will get for the first market and for the second market. Okay my students, you have to do like this. Now question number 11. So it is given question number 11, you have to just find the value of x. That means x is a matrix, you have to find that matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it is given -7, -8, -9, 2, 4, 6. Just these two value. You have to just find the value of x. That means x is an unknown matrix. You have to just find the value of unknown matrix x. For that, suppose the value it order is 2 by 3. So it order is also 2 by 3. So if you write the value of x such that it should be get 2 by 3 matrix. So let x is, if that x, then x should be like this. X is the matrix. X is the matrix. It should be like. Because it is the 2 cross 3 matrix. So if I write here 2a, b, c, d, and 2 by 2 matrix, then it will be the product S. X should be like this because it is 2 by 2. Because if you multiply these two terms, then you have to get how much? 2 by 3 matrix. So that is why if you want to multiply, then this last and first should be same. That is why an order will be, your answer will be 2 by 3 matrix. Look here, 2 by 3 matrix. That is why instead of x, you have to write here a matrix who should be 2 by 3 matrix A, B, C, and D. So I just find the value of x like this. I put the value of x 2 by 2 matrix because if you write here 2 by 2 matrix, then this last and this first should be the same. This first you should be the same, and third your answer. So 2 by 3 is matrix. So you get this one. Now by product you get row should be product by column. This one A and this 2 would be again this 1 2A plus 5B, again this two term multiply, so you get 3A plus 6B. Again this column row and column multiply, C plus 4D, again 2C plus 5D, again row multiply, you get 3C plus 6D. Again this part you get how much? -7, -8, -9, 2, 4, 6. Okay. Now by comparing on both sides, you get a plus 4b equal to minus 7, and yes, so first element should be equal to the first and second element would be the second. So you get 2a plus 5b equal to minus 8, and next element 3a plus 6b equal to minus 9. Okay. If I take the common, these two simplify, divide by 3, then you get how much? A plus 2b equal to minus 3. Now this is the first and it is the second. So second minus first or first minus second, just you find the value of a and b, c, and that is your answer. So I simplify the first and second, then I get how much? A plus 4b equal to minus 7, and this is the a plus 2b equal to minus 3. Now I just these two cancel, and 2b equal to 4, then b equal to how much? Minus 4, b equal to minus 2. So I get the value of b equal to minus 2 here. Now I submit here in the first equation. If submit the first equation, then a plus minus 2, then minus 8 equal to minus 7 equal to how much? 1. So b and c already I get. Again comparing for c, if I comparing the first equation, then you get c plus 4d equal to how much? 2. That is the third, and the last equation is given 3c plus 6d equal to 6. So c plus 2d equal to 2. It is the 4. Now subtract third minus 4. C plus 4d equal to 2. C plus 2d equal to 2. Then I get how much? If I subtract here, then I get 2d equal to 0, d equal to how much? 0. If I subtract the d equal to 0 here, then I get how much? C equal to 2. And that is the value of ABC. So the matrix X matrix is like this, because you have to find the value of X. So X is how much? AB is how much? 1, and B means minus 2, and C means 2, and D means 0, and that is your matrix, my dear students. So I already get the matrix. It is the matrix which is I already get. Next, question number 12. In case of the question number 12, you have to solve this one in principle of mathematical inductions. Using the principle of mathematical inductions, you have to find for x equal to n equal to 1, n equal to k, and n equal to k plus 1. If the three statements are true, that means you are correct. Next, look here, question number 13. In case of the question number 13, question number 13 is given a matrix is alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha, and such that a square equal to I. Then which one is correct? It is given that a square equal to I, so that means at first you have to find the a square, alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha, and it is also a square. A square is alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha. So product of these two matrix, I have to product row and column. So alpha and alpha square, beta and plus beta gamma, and this multiply alpha beta, again this one minus alpha beta, again this one gamma alpha minus gamma alpha, again this multiply beta gamma plus alpha square, and that is your answer. These two terms and these two terms, alpha square plus beta gamma it is 0 and it is 0 and it is beta gamma plus alpha square. So it is given by a square and a square is given by I. So you write here I means how much? Identity matrix 1 0 0 1. So I comparing on both sides. Alpha square plus beta gamma equal to 1. That means alpha square plus beta gamma minus 1 equal to 0. And that is your answer. So I think you understand what I am going to discuss here. Next, it is given if the matrix A is both symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix, then what will be held? Matrix is symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix. Next question. It is given question number 14. A matrix is symmetric and skew-symmetric. Let A is symmetric matrix. If the matrix is symmetric, then A transpose equal to A. Again, A is skew-symmetric matrix. It is given skew-symmetric matrix, therefore A transpose equal to minus A. A transpose equal to minus A. So I submit here. A transpose means A equal to minus A. He come here. Then A plus A equal to 0. Then 2 has A equal to 0. Therefore A equal to 0 matrix. So answer is what? A will be the 0 matrix. Next question number 15. It is given question number 15. If A is a square matrix such that A square equal to A, it is given, and I plus A whole cube minus 7A. Just need to find the value of this. So I expand the identity A plus the whole cube, A cube plus B cube plus 3 A square B plus 3A B square minus 7A. So A cube, I cube means I. That means I cube power 4. Any power, it always identity matrix. And A cube can be written as A square into A, and A square is almost A into A, again A square, and A square is almost A. So instead of A cube, you write here A plus I square means I, but when it is multiplied with the matrix, then it becomes a matrix. No need to write here. I only write, you have to write only instead of where it is the constant term. If it is with the matrix, then identity matrix, no need to write. Plus 3 into A square means A minus 7A. So I get I plus 3A 6 or 1 7 minus 7A. So these two terms are cancelled. You get how much? I, and that is your matrix. Okay, my students. Thank you. Have a nice day.